Hey friends, if you're interested in hearing about the fact that there are more green cards available this year in 2022 than in previous years, watch this video. I'm going to talk about the numbers and who this will help and what you need to do next. I'm Latoya McBean Pompey, an immigration lawyer in New York, working with clients all over the world on complex family and business immigration matters. Reach out to us at McBean Law at 516-866-3900 or at McBeanLaw.com to see how we might be able to assist you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell before you go. This topic, friends, came out of a tweet that I posted on my Instagram and Facebook story. So for those of you who have been following me on social media, you may have seen that I posted this tweet that says we now have official notice that there are an estimated 280,000 employment-based green cards available for fiscal year 2022. In a normal year, there would be just 140,000 available. But this reflects rollover of unused family-based numbers from last year. USCIS has also put an alert on its website that says that there are an exceptionally high number of employment-based visas available this fiscal year, October 2021 through September 2022. And they say here that that there are many more visas available in the first and second employment-based categories. And so specifically, they're talking about the priority workers under EB1 and then workers with advanced degrees or exceptional ability under EB2. And also, friends, they say that if you are eligible, please consider applying in the first or second employment-based preference categories. If you have a pending adjustment of status application based in the third employment-based preference category, but also have a pending or approved petition and an available visa in the second employment-based preference category, we strongly encourage you to request that USCIS transfer the underlying basis of your pending application to the second category. Friends, if you're in this situation where you do have a pending application in the third preference category, work with your lawyer to sort this out and figure out whether you can, in fact, transfer to the second category because that category is moving faster. These opportunities are available only to those of you who are seeking an employment-based pathway to a green card. What does it actually take to apply under EB1 and EB2? That's what I'm going to talk with you about now because this is not an opportunity that's available to a lot of people, okay? So let's just talk about EB1 for a moment and then we'll jump into EB2. There are specific requirements under each of these, and I'm not going to read this all to you. Go on USCIS.gov's website, take a look at each of these categories and see whether or not you meet it. But in a nutshell, to apply under extraordinary ability, you have to demonstrate extraordinary ability in the sciences, arts, education, business, or athletics, major accomplishment in your domain, right? As an outstanding professor or a researcher, similarly, you must demonstrate international recognition for your work. You've achieved some things. You have at least 3 years experience in teaching or research in that academic area. And then for those of you who are in business, you must have been employed outside of the United States for at least a year in the 3 years preceding your petition. There are certain criteria that one must meet here, and you don't have to meet all of these criteria. Work with your lawyer to sort this out. Now let's talk about EB2 and what it takes to apply for the green card under EB2. Those of you with an advanced degree, the government says that the job you apply for must require an advanced degree and you must possess that degree or a foreign equivalent, and you must meet any other requirements specified on the labor certification as applicable. So those with an advanced degree will be going through the labor certification process unless they apply under the national interest waiver, which we're going to talk about momentarily. For those of you who want to apply showing that you have what we call exceptional ability, the government says that you must have that ability in the sciences, arts, or business. And exceptional ability means a degree of expertise significantly above that ordinarily encountered in your field. There are criteria here that one must meet in order to do the national interest waiver. This is where it can get very creative, and it's all about storytelling and the work and showing the level of work that you have, or what you've done thus far, what it will do, what you can do with it, and how it may impact our country in that particular field. Go on the government's website, take a look at all of this for yourself to determine whether there's an opportunity for you under either EB1 or EB2. So friends, in summary, this is now the time to consider applying for EB1 or EB2 because there are more green cards available in these categories. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.